Hello everybody and welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Today we're going to be drawing Pittsburgh Steelers running back Najee Harris, former Alabama Crimson Tide standout and the 24th pick to the Pittsburgh Steelers back in 2021. And I've gotten a couple of requests to draw this character, so let's get to it. Let's find the center of our page. The center of our page here, and we're going to draw the face just above the center. Here we go. We're going to start out with a thin-tipped black marker. And we're going to go shape like this, so it's kind of pointed on the sides. Najee Harris has kind of a sharp jaw, sharp chin look, so there we go. Now we're going to connect this top. He's going to be wearing his headband piece that he likes to wear. Go up, and connect that. There we go. So Najee Harris is kind of known for his braids, and we'll do his hair right here. So bring this we'll color these in black, but right now we'll just outline them here. Draw a few braids there, bring it on over here, we'll do the same. There we go. He has one that he likes kind of to come down over his eye. So we'll color those in. So we're going to draw a couple of round eyes, kind of this cartoon style that we like so much, this Funko Pop. So one big round eye there. This is going to be tricky since I drew this braid right here. We're going to go behind that braid. So his eye is kind of covered up by that one braid in front of his face. So we'll do a big circle there and a big circle on the bottom. These are our highlights. We're going to leave those circles white, and I'm going to do the bottom a little blue color there. So why don't we color this in real quick. Color this area black, leaving those highlights white. Those bring the eyes to life on our characters. There we go. And the same over here. Fill in our eye with the black. Alrighty. And then we're gonna do the beard. He's got kind of the sharp beard, so first we'll do a mustache. Over. Down straight, down straight. Now watch this, it goes up. So we kind of have this V look. And it's going to go straight over to his cheek, straight over to his cheek, and there we go. We'll color these in. We'll wait to color this in, this entire beard black, and let's do the neck. So we'll go down, down. Actually do a different black marker here. And we'll do a point. So we'll connect this neck down to that point. Connect this neck down to that point. Perfect. Now let's do these shoulder pads. So shoulder pad 1, shoulder pad 2. And they kind of went behind those braids there. Down on a slant, down on a slant, to the waist, and up. There we go. Now let's do the legs here. We'll do a point right in the middle, and we're going to connect the legs to that point. So we go down and up, down and up. Alrighty. There's going to be a stripe on the side of these yellow Pittsburgh Steelers pants. These are going to be black stripes. You can color them in now. I'll just kind of show you. It's going to be black, and then we'll do the yellow pants in a minute. His socks go down. Those are going to be black as well. Down. Color that in on the fast forward. Now let's draw his shoes. So we're going to do the big, fun clown shoes like we like our characters to wear. So we got 1, 2, 3 shoelaces, 1, 2, 3 shoelaces. And we'll bring this shoe over and down. Okay. Straight across and connect up to that ankle. Do the same thing. Bring that ankle down, straight across. There we go. And then let's draw these cleats. So Najee Harris is one of the young superstars in the NFL, playing for the Pittsburgh Steelers. He's been really popular. We've gotten some requests on our TikTok channel to do Najee Harris, so we thought we'd do it. All right, so let's do our football over here. Okay, and have his hand 1, 2, 3, 4 circles. And a thumb. We'll bring his arm down, elbow down, and into that football. Easy enough. Okay. And let's do arm down, arm down. He's going to be holding a fist, okay? And he wears this wristband. There we go. So the fist is kind of like this. These are the knuckles, 1, 2, 3, 4 knuckles. Alright, so he's number 22. Let's do the 2. These are going to be the most challenging parts right here, the 2. So we'll do it straight over, up, down, straight down, over, up, over, and connect to the end. All right, so it's an okay 2, not too perfect, but let's do the same thing. We're gonna go down, across, up, over, and around, and connect. Okay. The Steelers circle right here. Got the Steelers emblem. And alright, so we got this basically, sketched out. We have Najee Harris. We're gonna do kind of a brown, black braids, flesh color, eyebrows, a black headband. We'll color the black beard in, black jersey with some yellow stripes, yellow pants, brown football. We'll leave those shoes white, and we will fast forward. And if you need to stop and pause, go ahead and do so. We appreciate you joining us on Hey Kids, Let's Draw. Najee Harris of the Pittsburgh Steelers. Fast forward now.